Look at this beautiful rainy morning. I have a perfect day planned. Tea, cooking, and English learning.
Oh no! Heavy rain all morning. I cannot go for my walk today.
Do not be sad, Grandpa. Rainy days are cozy. Let me make tea for us.
I am boiling the water now. We say boil the water. Boil means to heat water until it bubbles.
I got 2 cups ready for us. One for you, Grandma, and one for me.
Grandma, should I pour 2 cups of teas for us?
Oh, Grandpa, say 2 cups of tea. Tea has no plural form.
Now I am pouring the tea. Pour means move liquid slowly from one container to another. Now we relax on the sofa. Relax means rest your mind and body. Perfect for rain.
Grandma, look at that downpour. It is raining cats and dogs outside.
Yes, raining cats and dogs is an idiom. It means raining very, very heavily. Learn 3 rain words. Drizzle is light rain. Shower is medium. Downpour is very heavy. I will cook something warm for us. You stay here and finish your tea, Grandpa.
Let me help you cook, Grandma.
Grandma, should I cut the carrot into small pieces like this?
With vegetables, we say chop, not cut. Chop means cut into small pieces for cooking.
Now I am mixing. Mix means combine different ingredients together into one.
Are you stirring the soup, Grandma?
That looks very hard work.
Stir is for liquids in a pot on the stove. Different.
Look, the rain is almost stopped. I can finally go for my walk outside.
Be careful outside, Grandpa. The ground will be very wet and slippery.
The fresh air feels so good after rain. I will walk for 10 minutes only.
Oh no! I stepped in a puddle. Now my shoe is all wet and cold.
I am back, Grandma. The walk was short but very nice. And very wet.
Sit down, Grandpa. Your soup is ready.
Thank you, Grandma. This looks so warm and delicious. Grandma, you did a wonderful soup for us today, Ora.
We make soup, Grandpa. Remember?
Your shoe is damp. Damp is a little wet. Wet has water. Soaked is completely full of water.
The rain stopped completely. And look, Pad, a beautiful rainbow in the sky.
Let us review today. Boil, pour, cozy, drizzle, downpour, chop, mix, stir, damp, and clear up.
Subscribe to Nana English Daily. We make new English lessons every day for you. See you tomorrow.